Hey guys, Shashideen, the AI Operations Analyst here. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down this appointment scheduling software called Calday, founded by this guy named Pablo. Monthly revenue is $5,000 a month. It is profitable. There are two founders, including Pablo, and there are 4 employees in total. So what we're going to do is break down the operations for this business called Calday, and then we're going to point out the bottleneck in this business and how he can solve the bottleneck. You guys might learn a thing or two for your current operation or to prevent future problems. So stick around. Let's get into the elements of this operation first. Number one, you have the scheduling software itself. Number two, a development team. Number three, revenue structure. Number four, target market. Number five, customer acquisition channels. Number six, content strategy. Number seven, product evolution system. And then here is the purpose of each element here. So starting with number one, scheduling software, you have it is to create a modern, feature-rich appointment scheduling solution for solopreneurs and small businesses. Number two, development team. It is to build and improve the product with minimal outside investment. Number three, revenue structure. It is to generate sustainable recurring revenue. Number four, target market. It is to focus on specific customer segments for efficient growth. Number five, customer acquisition channels. It is to find cost-effective ways to attract new users. Number six, content strategy. It is to drive organic traffic and establish authority. Number seven, product evolution system. It is to continuously improve the product based on feedback. Now we're going to give the elements of each element. So starting with number one, let's move this over here, scheduling software. It is a built-in calendar functionality, unified calendar view across platforms, booking page system, user-friendly interface, integrations with video platforms like Zoom. Number two, development team. 2 software engineers, including the founder, a UX designer, a marketing specialist, a lean development approach, and iterative product improvement. Number three, revenue structure. It is a freemium model with basic features, a premium subscription for $10 a month or $10 plus a month, tiered pricing based on features, $5,000 in monthly recurring revenue, and a self-funded or bootstrapped approach. And then number four, which is target market, you have solopreneurs, 50% plus of customers, small service businesses, specific verticals, including real estate, DMV, lawyers, pet sitting, and recruiting. Individual professionals, including financial advisors, life coaches, trainers, etc. Number five, customer acquisition channels. It is initial word of mouth from Founders Network, PPC, pay-per-click, advertising campaigns in the early stage, social media marketing with LinkedIn, Reddit, SEO, search engine optimization, and content marketing, domain optimization, moving from .app to .com. Number six, content strategy. You have industry-specific landing pages, regular blog content creation, SEO optimization, educational content for target industries, and keyword-targeted content. Number seven, product evolution system. It is a minimal viable product launch, which happened in April 2023, a version 2 with redesigned interface, additional integrations, bug fixes based on user feedback, planned mobile application, initial testing with developer community, feedback collection from early users, feature prioritization based on user input, iterative improvement process, and conversion optimization. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys the purpose of this overall system, or aka the value proposition CalDAY offers for users. So here is the purpose here of this overall operation. It is to provide solopreneurs and small businesses with a modern, feature-rich scheduling solution that integrates seamlessly with their existing workflows, helping them save time, appear more professional, and ultimately increase their sales through efficient appointment management. Now, we're going to go ahead and point out the bottleneck in this entire operation, and I'm going to explain to you why it's actually a problem. Here we go. Here's the bottleneck. It is rare professionals use more than one calendar platform. If someone uses Google Calendar, they typically only use Google Calendar. If someone uses Apple Calendar, they typically only use Apple Calendar. If someone uses Outlook Calendar, they typically only use Outlook Calendar. Now, why is this a problem? Too many use cases ends up being a problem, creating overwhelmness, lack of attention, distractions. Without the need for integrating multiple calendars, this software ends up becoming a commodity compared to calendar softwares like Calendly. We all know what Calendly is. So what about preventing double booking, you may ask? Other tools like Calendly helps prevent double bookings, checking for conflicts in one's calendar. CalDAY, which is the software we're talking about, sounds like a possible solution for future cases that will never occur. So we're taking precaution for the wrong things. So what may seem like applying a buffer to avoid future conflicts turns out to be a tool that can lead to more distractions. Now, how can this tool result in more distractions? Question mark, you may ask. With there being zero reason to use more than one calendar platform like Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, Outlook Calendar, committing to CalDAY can result in users feeling excused to scatter their appointments across all calendar platforms instead of keeping their calendar simplified using a single calendar platform. We all know a lean system is the best system. When you overcomplicate a system, things get problematic, right? So, now, final question, how can he solve this bottleneck? He needs to implement AI into his scheduling system to decommoditize his offer. And an example or examples of this would be a meeting overview, AI telling you what the meeting is going to be about to help you mentally prepare for the meeting itself. Another example would be voice agent integrations. Agents who can take the meeting for you with your intelligence to be able to answer the questions you'd be asked in those meetings. This is pretty much the only way to decommoditize his offer. If he really wants to scale his product, he needs to implement AI, and he needs to do it fast. And the way to actually implement it correctly is not by having the most tools and having the most AI integrations. It's by having the most data. If you were to integrate an AI voice agent, I promise you, there are other software companies also implementing voice agents as well. So what will make you stand out is not the exact AI tool that you're using, etc. It's the data that you have, the amount of proprietary data that you have on your niched customer base. That is what will make you stand out and will put you ahead of your competition. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video and you want to see more of me on your home feed, hit that subscribe button. Take care.